What's up, guys? This is going to be a DIY for tie-dye socks. Very self-explanatory. You can basically see what I'm doing, therefore follow the steps, but I will kind of guide it through. I hope you guys enjoy and have fun tie-dyeing. And yes, you guys, my dog is in the back. If you could see him there in the background, he basically just wanted to be in the video, so there you go. Alright, so first I start off by choosing the colors that I'm going to use. Each bottle of tie-dye usually comes with the powder, which is the coloring for the tie-dye. So I kind of start off by taking some of the powder off because the color can be like too intense, more than what you want it to be. So I kind of like make it my own color. I didn't want them too dark or too bright, so that's why I take the powder out and I just save that for like another time that I want to tie-dye something else. And then I use a napkin to just test out the colors, as you see me here doing. Of course, once you put the water in, you shake it until there's no more powder in the bottom of the bottle. That's me testing it out on a piece of napkin. So then you're going to want to wet whatever item it is that you're tie-dyeing. In this case, it's socks. So just wet them and then just rinse the water out. So after that, I'm just going to start scrunching them up. You just grab them kind of like by pinching them with your fingers and just literally do it throughout the whole sock. Get a few rubber bands and tie it so that it stays in place. And then you're going to use a Ziploc bag, of course, to set them in there. And you're going to want to leave each pair for about 6 to 7 hours. And here, of course, I'm just squirting all the color out and basically just put it in wherever spots you want. I kind of just put it everywhere, and then I kind of put the bottle tip inside the sock of the folding so it gets in between as well. And then you're going to set them in the Ziploc bags separately. And like I said, 6 to 7 hours. So after letting each pair sit for the 6 to 7 hours, I just do 7 hours, so let's just go with 7. So after you let them sit for that long, you take them out of the Ziploc bag. Of course, take the rubber bands off of them, and you're just going to rinse them out in cold water until the color of the water just starts coming out clear. Obviously, you just want to take out most of the coloring by wringing out with the water. And you're going to do that to each pair. then you're going to throw each pair in the washer. I just do them separately so that it doesn't leak any leftover like color, and I put a little bit of detergent just so it smells good, and do a quick cycle of a wash. And there you go, your own tie-dye socks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, had some fun. I had fun doing these socks. So if you guys go ahead and do it, I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.